Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my channel Study with Amit Singh. If you are passionate about KYC and AML learning and wanted to know real-time work experience in organization, you come to the right place. We are here to educate and inspire you. In our channel, you will learn anti-money laundering, know your customer, how does this work. We will share real-time work experience in organization. I'll cover latest news on money laundering, and soon we will start classes on IIBF and ACAM certifications exam. This is my new channel, so please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss an update. In this video, we discuss how we can switch to KYC AML profile, as this topic is most asked on my LinkedIn profile, hence thought of covering this area. This video is beneficial for fresher and the people those who already have experience in banking, sales, insurance or any of the profile. During this transition period, we need to keep some important point in our mind, which are transition will not going to happen suddenly. So you need to have patience. It will take around 5 to 6 months approx to get recruited by any MNC. This is very easy topic, so you need to understand basic term in topic and how does this work. For more knowledge, you can connect with me via LinkedIn. Link is mentioned in the description box. These are the main 5 areas where you need to work on, which are basic of KYC AML certification, understand the day-to-day activity of analyst, understand the keyword and mention that in your resume, and communication skill. Get clear with your basics for KYC and AML and its working framework. Understand some terms like what is FATF, PEP, adverse media, sanction, screening, ultra high risk country, etc. and read case study as much as you can. And understand the compliance gap there in the case study, which help you to understand the compliance requirement. Company mostly prefer the candidate with a valid course or certification you want to pursue in career. So if we are talking about KYC AML certification, you can go for IIBF, Indian Institute of Banking and Finance certification, ACAMS and CAMI. I recommend to go for IIBF certification as it costs around 1600 INR approx, and this will give you advanced basic knowledge on the topic. I recommend to connect with the experienced people over on social media and in your organization and understand their day-to-day activity and framework. It will help you to understand real-time work experience in organization and showcasing your knowledge in the interview as an experienced candidate. For experienced people, if you want to showcase your resume as experienced candidate in this profile, I recommend you to add more activity point as a KYC AML analyst and minimize your branch banking, sales, insurance and any other experience in your resume. Check other people's resume relevant to the profile and modify it accordingly. Put keywords like AML, KYC, CDD, sanction, screening, PEP, OFAC, adverse media, etc. in your resume. Then communication skill. You need to have a good communication skill. My suggestion is to prepare your introduction flawlessly, which gives a good impression to interviewer, and prepare some important question which can be asked in interview. You can refer ChatGPT for KYC AML interview questions. I have already made video on basics of KYC AML, day-to-day activity of KYC analyst and day-to-day activity of transaction monitoring analyst. I hope this information will help you in your transition period. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video and information. Please comment if you want me to cover any specific area. Thank you.